Alright guys, welcome to our first AI Esports Trial version in Vietnam, and today we've got a very exciting tournament between two very exciting people. I'd like to introduce to you guys our competitors for today, and that is Andy from Gems Esports 3.0, and we got Harry from ZKA Agent.
Hi everyone.
Harry, interesting name. Tell us a bit more about yourself, man.
Yeah, I'm Harry. I'm from ZK Agent, and my position is head of Vietnam. We are basically a team project that are working on building an AI model that can helping the user can contribute their GPU to increasing the performance of the network, and then they can have the reward like benefit when they contributing the GPU like that. And we are we have right now we have more than 9,000 user and around 700 GPU
Right,
contributing.
fantastic. Hey, so are you saying that today you'll be using your own AI platform?
Uh, yes, a
What
part
do you
of
think
that.
about your chances of winning today, Harry?
Yeah, can
What do
you?
you think of your chances of winning today? Good or not?
I think 100% I can win this
Do
game.
you think I win because you're up against this
Yeah.
man called Andy? Andy, tell us a bit more about yourself, bro.
Hey, hi everybody. So I just heard what Harry say. Let's see. Let's
Yeah.
see. Yeah. I'm the
Okay.
co-founder of Gems Esports 3.0, and we are also working on AI. So I'm very happy that I've been invited to do a trial run for today's tournament for the real world problem solving. And I think this topic is very much close to what me and Harry has been doing. How a gamer can become an esports player. We are also trying to revolutionize the current esports industry by implementing AI into our platform, whereby many of the users today in the real world they can actually use our platform and use the AI to quickly create a tournament, list down all the checklists, including create an image, even list out the potential sponsor. So we really want AI to automate the whole thing. At the end of the day, where there will be just a simple chat prompt, and they just enter with a few lines of a sentence, they can get a tournament up and running, not using weeks and months, all the way from end to end, from production to logo creation, to video, teaser, trailer, to the banner, the team registration. So it's a lot of things involved. And normally to create an esports tournament, you need really like at least 9 to 10 people. But for the past half year, we have been piloting the AI, and we realized that, and also because of AI agents, we realized that a lot of things right now can be automate the process and the task. So I'm very
Fantastic.
excited. Yeah.
I'm really excited just hearing about it, right? So, gentlemen, right? So today, right, we've got our challenge, which is how a gamer can become an esports player. You see this, right? That's today's AI challenge. Okay. And both Harry and Andy, you guys have got 10 minutes to kind of do this. You guys can use your AI platform of choice. What is really fantastic about today's challenge, ladies and gentlemen, is that we will be showing you their process, right? Of course, they can see each other's processes as well, right? Harry very confident of winning. Andy has already told him before we even started that he's definitely going to lose. So let's see, right? What is the process that Andy and Harry is going to take? Gentlemen, are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
3, 2, 1. AI creators.
All right, let's see them. Let's see them. So I'm going to show your screen. I'm going to show both Harry's screen and Andy's screen because this is what we're looking at, right? And I'll be telling you what you guys are seeing. This is never before have you guys seen how people create using AI, right? And only in AI sports can you do that. So you can be entertained and you can learn at the same time. So here we are. Okay. And is this a paid version of ChatGPT? Are you using a paid version?
Yes, and the reason why I'm using a paid version is because paid version don't have a much limit, and it allowed me to do more things faster versus the unpaid version. So a lot of people have used AI, but they are not using the paid version, therefore they drop out of it. I strongly suggest that if you are really serious about using AI, how it can help your job better, go for the paid version and don't limit yourself to only ChatGPT, because there's a lot of LLM models that are specific for different things. It's quite impossible right now where one LLM framework can do everything to the best output possible. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, let's see what Harry is cooking, right? What is Harry cooking? Let's see. Harry, what is this platform, bro? Wow,
Okay. I'm
yeah.
actually using
Mhm.
our own model. This one we built ourselves. Is actually generating you for you a mind map based on your
Holy
ideas.
smokes, right? This looks really complex and looks really cool. What is the name of this AI platform?
We call it My Weaver. Yeah. This one is built by our team.
Okay, now since both Harry and Andy are, busy tasking it, let's take a look at how much time they have right. The end of today, right? They'll be producing multimedia format. There's PDF. There's going to be images. It's going to be a complete guide on how you can be an esports player. Is that right, gentlemen? You're gonna give us a complete guide on how a gamer can become an esports player. Is that what you guys are going to be producing for us today?
Yes.
Okay, cool, right? Fantastic. I'm seeing some very interesting things on Harry's screen. Andy is still doing ChatGPT, right? But Harry seems to be doing something interesting. Let's take a peek at what Harry is doing, right? And I'm going to be very quiet here because I don't want Andy to hear what I'm talking about. But it looks like he is picking a template. Is that what you're doing, Harry?
Uh, Actually, I'm using my design platform to doing the PDF. Yeah, I'm not using the traditional PowerPoint.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Right. So you are using your own design template. Andy, how does that make you feel? Let's look at what Andy is doing. Andy is still using ChatGPT, right? Andy, Harry is using his own design template. What is your competitive secret?
I don't have any competitive secret. You know what? At the end of the day, it will be a two-page PDF based on the tournament requirement. And I always believe that the content, the output, the requirement is more important than the high-tech tools that we use. A lot of people are using very high-tech tools, but that does not necessarily means they are really solving the problem. And don't forget, today's topic is how a gamer can become an esports player.
Yeah,
Let's
essentially, what Andy is highly confident. What essentially Andy is trying to do is Andy is trying to tell Harry this, right? This is what Andy is trying to tell Harry. Check this out.
Not there yet. Keep going.
Yeah, that's what you're trying to say, right? Andy, not
yeah.
that keep going. Okay. So I'm gonna leave the stream here. Let's you guys can check out all the action and see how these two highly talented gentlemen they got two different approaches, right? Andy is looking at the scaffold, he's doing all the images on ChatGPT. Harry is using multiple platforms. I see someone buying a plan, right? Are you buying a plan now? Who's this? Who's this buying a plan? Is that Harry? Let's check this out. Harry, is that you? Are you buying something right now? That's against the rules, bro. You can't buy now. You should buy before. But never mind. It's okay, right? We give chance. Let's see how much time they have. This is Harry.
Yes.
Harry using this. Harry, what platform is this, Harry? You use multiple platforms, and I think that's an advantage that you have over Andy, who's using one platform. It's like, if you're playing esports, right? Harry used multiple weapons. He got sword, he's got an axe, he's got crossbow. Andy only got maybe a dagger, but who knows? A dagger can kill lots of people, right? Harry, what's this platform that you're using?
I'm using Figma to designing the PDF.
Oh, Figma. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
How easy is it for someone to learn Figma?
I think it's really very easy for the people who really like about web design or app designing. Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at Andy. So what you're seeing is Andy's screen right now. Andy, what stage are you at right now, bro?
I'm trying to do a few things. Trying to, because in every business proposal we need to really focus on the content. So I'm going to generate more like infographics, like what is the problem and how are we going to solve it actually, because the topic is how a gamer can become an esports player. Yeah, so we know we are very expert in this industry, but with the help of a lot of AI tool creation right now, from infographics to document chart, a proposal can be churned out very fast. And don't forget, we only got 10 minutes, right? In the past, where we have to brainstorm, have meetings, talk to people, talk to expert, but the expert also do not cover the entire universe of data. And that's why you keep asking me, why do I only use ChatGPT? Because ChatGPT allowed me to go into very detail of the content that I'm going to put into the document together. But of course, I'm hitting some issues right now. If you can see that.
Yeah. I can see that you have been stuck on this image for the past 2 minutes, and I won't disturb you, right? I won't disturb you. You've been giving me very good.
Yeah, but the good thing is actually we don't have to wait. We just have to let it run, and that's the power of AI. We can have 10 staff working for us, and that's why I really encourage a lot of you to go for the paid version. Yeah.
Fantastic, right? Fantastic. Okay, let's quickly look at Harry right now. And ladies and gentlemen, there's a Q&A box. Ask questions in the chat. You're definitely curious about both Harry and Andy. What's their background? Andy said that they have been in esports for very long. Maybe they like any questions you'd like to ask our two competitors. Please put it into the chat. And gentlemen, I'll be asking you guys these questions, right, as you guys are creating. I think that's a fantastic thing. So now you're seeing Harry's screen, right? And this is Andy's screen, right? Andy is primarily using ChatGPT, right? But Harry is using multiple platforms, including using things like Figma also as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the chat. Okay, and let's see what questions people have for them. Okay, I've got one question and it's directed to Harry. Harry, bro, you like this kind of question? Okay, are you ready for this question, Harry, bro? All right. One girl, I think, asked, are you married or do you have a girlfriend?
I haven't married and haven't had girlfriend yet. Single
You're
man.
not married and you don't have a girlfriend.
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool. Right. Okay. Andy, the next question is for you. How many years of esports experience here you have, and what is your favorite esports game?
Oh, I've been in the esports scene for 10 years. I don't have a love for any game, but I love every game, right? My mission is to bring tournament on more and more tournaments online so that the gamers can finally have a chance to compete. And then from a community competition, hopefully they will be able to go and join those professional tournaments. Because when community tournaments don't happen, it's very hard for the gamer to become a true esports player. That's yeah.
Right, 100%. Fantastic. Right. So keep the questions coming. We'll be asking them some questions. But, gentlemen, I just want to let you know that on the clock, you guys have less than 5 minutes to go. Right. I'm going to show you guys the timer. So you got less than 5 minutes to go. So this is the timer that I'm going to be putting up here. So you guys can see the timer. Right. Everyone can see it. You guys have got 4 minutes, 48 seconds. How far away are you, Harry? How far away are you from the final product?
I have fan of it.
Okay. How far away are you from the final product, Andy? You got 4 minutes, 27 seconds left.
I think I'm almost going to finish already.
Wow. Right. And don't forget, gentlemen, right, that after our 5 minutes, you guys have to, present your work to all of us, right? And there'll be a panel of judges, right, which are watching right now, who will be assessing your work, right? But from what I'm seeing, right, I like to play a video for you guys. You guys are really next level. It's as though AI is.
You have passed. Next stage.
Yeah, next stage, right? Let's see you guys bring it up to the next level. 3 minutes and 50 seconds left. I'm going to let our two gentlemen do their work, and I won't disturb them because I know the last few minutes is really important. Let's take a look at their work process instead, right? So this is Harry's screen. As you can see, his approach is multi-platform, right? He's using Figma. This is ND screen. He focuses on one. Now he is actually producing a different way to communicate the plan, right? This will be a fantastic AI platform that potentially might want to sponsor us as well. So if you are from this AI platform, please reach out to us, right? We would love to kind of work with you guys, right? And in fact, one of ND's secret ingredient is being able to develop something like that, okay? Which is really interesting, okay? Back to Harry's screen. Harry, what stage are you at and what are you doing for us right now?
I'm closing my slide right now, actually.
Okay. So here you go, right? Gentlemen, you've got 2 minutes, 35 seconds left, right? In fact, less than that right now. So,
so little time
yeah,
we have.
Yeah, it's so fantastic, right? That maybe this, Eddie, you were saying this used to be, how long did you, without AI, how long did you used to take to do all these kind of things?
I think maybe about 1 week at least.
One week, right?
Like that. Yeah.
So 1 week, now they are doing it in 10 minutes. Oh my God. 1 week to 10 minutes. That's the power of AI. Yeah. I see Harry doing a bit of coding, and it's always interesting to see how Harry works, right? I think there are two different approaches here. Andy has got a more business approach, right? And Harry has got more tech approach, right? So Harry is thinking about presenting it, right? Harry is thinking about the comms. Andy is thinking about the content, and it's very interesting to see, right, how our two competitors for today will produce an output to help all of us understand how a gamer can become an esports player. And gentlemen, counting down, we got 1 minute and 17 seconds left. Okay, Andy, how are you feeling now? 1 minute left. What are your chances right now, do you think?
I'm feeling great.
Okay, you don't say anymore. I don't want to disturb you, Harry. How about you? You got less than 1 minute. How are you feeling right now?
It feels not okay.
Not okay. It is like not okay, right? It's essentially AI telling you,
Not there yet. Keep going.
gentlemen, you got less than 30 seconds left. You can do this. And we are watching with a lot of interest. Let me do the countdown. Let's see people watching from home. All right, you guys can, check this out. Never before have we done this, right? 10 minutes live challenge, and the topic is how a gamer can become an esports player, right? This Andy's Harry's screen. Andy's screen. This is Harry's screen, right? Andy is hiding his screen or what? And gentlemen, I'm gonna count down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right.
Oh, yes! I just finished on time. Fuck! 1 second. I'm done.
Okay, hands down, right? Okay. Exciting. Okay.
So how do we submit now?
Yes, submit now.
Yeah, maybe we look at what Harry has created first.
Okay. Okay. Now, I've got a way to settle this for you guys, right? Okay. Now, I just want to put Harry and Andy before you guys actually present your work, right? Harry and Andy, how you guys feeling right now?
I hate it. I just need to take some Chinese medicine now, bro. It's a stress I need it though. Because the internet was laggy.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me?
Yep.
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Okay. Right. Okay. So, do you know how to play scissors, paper, stone?
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna count. Put up your hands so that we can see your hands. Scissors, paper, stone. Right. Okay. All right. Cool. Harry, higher a bit. I can't see it. Right. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay. So when I say scissors, paper, stone, you guys do scissors, paper. Let's see who goes first. Winner gets to
1, 2,
decide
3,
the
right?
one. Right.
We have to 1, 2,
One.
3, right?
Okay.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. It's a bit of a
Hey,
lag.
are you serious? Again.
That's okay. That's okay. Andy, please come to the center a bit, center a bit. Right. Okay. Good.
Okay.
Okay. 1,
Um,
2, 3. One.
Hey,
No, no, come on, yeah.
no?
Okay, that's okay. Okay, go 1, 2, 3. Okay, all right. Okay, Andy, you decide. Are you gonna go first, or you want Harry to go first?
We let Harry go first.
Oh, that's a
You're gonna beat me
Okay. Okay.
with
okay.
all
Harry,
those things.
it's
How?
all yours, Harry. Let's go. Right. Tell us about what you've done.
Uh, Wait a minute. Okay. So uh, basically, I just dropped out the main point of how a casual gamer can become an esport player. So the first one is like choosing your game. Like every kind of esport player out there, they can only mastering in one game only. So choosing the game that's suitable for you is very important. And the next one is that game is popular or not, because if it's popular, then you get more chance to be more success with the game that you play. And the passion and the interest is also can be a big motivation for you when you trying to go to a next level in the esport market. The next thing is in mastering the game is you have to develop your own skill. Like the first one is the practicing. The next is the game knowledge. You have to understanding the mechanism of the game, like in the expert levels. Um, and the next one is you have to learn from the professional esport player in the market, because you are newbie and you want to become a professional player, then you have to learn first. But where you gonna learn? You learn from the professional player first, yeah, because they are the one that summarize their own experience and their own skill, and you can learn from it. And the next one is analyzing your gameplay, analyzing the strategic that you use on the previous match. And then from that, you can learn a lot why you make the mistake, where you can improve. And uh, the important one when casual gamer become a esport player is you have to like know the teamwork, because none of the esport game out there is solo playing. They're rarely, but I can say that all the solo playing games have a very low price pool or the brand awareness out there. All the esport gaming, the biggest game is the five people gaming. So knowing the teamwork and communication is the core thing in this. You have to like like really be the teammate with them, really connected to each other. And the mental training is very important for the esport player when you go to the top levels. Yeah, so that's all of my presentation.
All right. Thanks for that presentation. Just a couple of questions from me, Harry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
You have you done this before? Like, have
Uh,
you used like have you done this like document before?
done this kind of document before? Mhm.
No. Okay. So, what have you? What do you really like about what you have done? What if there's one thing that I said? Okay, this is the best thing that I've done. What would it be?
Uh,
In my document, it's the best thing that I've done. Like, I'm really proud that I've done this in 10 minutes. Right? What would it be?
the best thing is can point out the main idea of how you becoming a professional esport player by just a simple question when you prompt on the AI. Yeah.
Okay. Can you show us what was your first prompt?
My first prompt is very basic one. This one.
Tell
Yeah.
me about how a gamer can become an esports player, right? And that's how
Yeah.
you start. Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much for that, Harry. Wishing you all the best. That our judges score. And now we are going to pass the mic over to the winner of the Scissors Paper Stone, which is Andy. Andy, let me share your screen. Here we go. Tell us about what you've done.
Okay. So the submission requirement is a 2-page PDF. I got exactly in the 2-page PDF for you. I also have created a video that is required as well. Let me play that video. And this video is really powered by Model Labs. Yeah.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. I played it. Can you guys see it?
No.
Okay, maybe I have to share my screen in another way. Just give me a moment. Let me share my screen, the entire screen. Is entire screen okay now?
Yes.
Are you able to see?
You see.
Okay. So you can see, I just give an example, right? I just give a sample. This avatar is actually created by AI. And this is in the esports room, right? We want to encourage a gamer to become an esports player. So I created a video that will sell to the people, right? And it's a 5-second video. Yeah.
And what do you use to create this video, Andy?
This is using a Model Labs, and again, I asked ChatGPT to create the prompt for me because many times the image or video is very critical whenever we are creating content, right? I also have created an image. It's more high tech, more neon, to be attached to the PDF for submission as well. This is also created using the PDF, just showing the trophy and stuff like that. Yeah.
And what platform do you use to create the image? What platform do you use to create the image? This image. What platform do you use? What AI?
It's also
Model Lab, right?
We are using Model Lab. Yeah. Then let's come back to here. So I straight away go to the point to talk about the key challenges in the esports player development. I think there's a few things like skill, and I think Harry has covered more detail in skill. But I'm really giving because the attention is to gamer, so we want to tell them what are the few main areas that they need to focus off. One of them is skill development, competitive opportunity where they can go enjoy competitive game, motivation, personal branding, and what are the resources that's available out there to help them to transform from a gamer to the esports player. Now we realize that there's an issue because for a gamer to become an esports player, it all boils down to the skill. Nothing else matter because regarding their mentality, their character, their background, their financial status, their family, all those we don't have to really look at to that issue first. So there are 4 key things, and this content is actually advised by ChatGPT. First is no structured training for the current gamer, right? And there's no specific strategy. They don't have a coach. So that is what we meant by structure. The next one is of course, they have not been assessed to coaching, right? Coaching game coaches are still not very widely available right now. That's why it's a very bottleneck for a lot of gamers. And bear in mind, we are talking about the whole world right now. We have more than 4 billion gamers, but we have only maybe like 50,000 team registered global. Do I believe that the number will grow? I definitely believe the number will grow, right? The next thing is the self-analysis struggle. A lot of gamers just keep playing and playing and playing. They don't analyze what have they done on the last mistake. So they went to thinking that, oh, it's always some players' problem, it's never their problem. And trust me, I've managed a Dota 2 team in Vietnam from zero to hero, right? So I know a key things that can help gamers. Now the next thing is benchmark. There's no clear benchmark of, like, let's say I play this game. What I need to benchmark. If I don't benchmark, how can I improve? So these are the 4 skills problem. And also the competitive barrier. There are also a few things like access restriction, registration, league gatekeeping, tournament visibility. And that is why GEMS is trying to build an online tournament platform to allow more tournaments that can be created. It doesn't need to be involved in finance. It could be sometimes gamers just want to find a person that is a higher level of them, and then they can have a challenge. Of course, they can do waggering, like maybe later on they can like say, hey, let's put a product as the prize pool, right? So I will use the token to buy the prize pool, and whoever win will get to win this particular product. These are just some example. I think the next 4th thing is also, right now all the games don't provide real-time feedback. I believe sooner or later the games publisher are looking into implement real-time feedback or after the game feedback, whereby what they can actually improve on. This can never happen. Why? Because we don't have AI. But with AI right now, there's tons of things can help the gamers to become an esports player. The next thing, I always see this practice burnout. Players are playing too much and they don't focus on benchmarking, they don't focus on self-analysis, they don't have somebody to feedback to them. I think AI in this case will have a lot to be used. Next thing also the milestone. Like this week, I'll be practicing on this hero. Next week, I should be practicing on that. And there's also no peer comparison, right? Now the next thing is, yeah, so this is a 2-page PDF. There's a lot to read here. I'm not going to finish all. It's going to be submit to you guys for selecting who will be the winner. And I also want to share that I'm using this platform to create anything from infographics. Just now when I have the fine details of all the data, so I just copy and paste and I want to select an informational. So they create an informational PDF for me.
All right. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Right. You've heard from both Andy and Harry. You've got the QR code there, ladies and gentlemen. Right. Help us vote and decide who is your favorite esports manager who's done the planning. Right. And then we will reveal the results of our vote in our next stream. Harry and Andy, well done. You guys are fantastic. Give yourself a round of applause. Right? You guys were fierce competitors. Right, Harry?
Yeah.
Be a bit more confident. Right? You might just win this. Right? And let's catch you guys in our next gaming stream. Till then, happy AI everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.